Architects increasingly study termite mounds to unlock passive cooling that cuts energy use and creates comfortable indoor climates. These ancient engineers exploit vents, chimneys, and stack effects to move air without fans, a principle now guiding sustainable buildings worldwide. By mimicking their layered galleries, modern structures gain humidity control and evening thermal mass that resists heat waves. The science reveals how tiny channels guide wind direction, creating a quiet, efficient climate system hidden inside brick and concrete. This is not fantasy but a practical blueprint, showing how nature's time-tested tricks can reshape our future cities.